In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your 2021 Toyota Corolla. Doing this yourself is easier than you think and can save you money while keeping your engine in top shape. Start by parking your Corolla on a flat surface and letting the engine cool down. Open the hood and remove the oil filler cap to help the oil drain smoothly. Next, get under the car and locate the oil drain plug at the bottom of the oil pan. Place a drain pan underneath, loosen the plug with a wrench, and let the old oil drain completely. While the oil is draining, find the oil filter and unscrew it. Sometimes you can do this by hand, or you may need a filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, rub a little fresh oil on its gasket for a good seal. Once the oil is fully drained, tighten the drain plugs securely. Pour in the recommended type and amount of oil for your 2021 Corolla. Start the engine and check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.